JD 26 here, just and hobbies, and I'm here to talk to you about Blue Zone. Blue Zone is something that deals with better health, better eating habits, and all around physical activity. Well, Blue Zone, you can go on your phone and say to Siri, "Hey Siri, is pistachios a good Blue Zone product to eat?" And she'll tell you yes or no. Or go on Google and do the same. "Hey Google, is Blue Zone pistachios good product to eat?" And if it's Blue Zone approved, and it'll tell you yes or no. Like pizza, a lot of people like pizza, but not white crust pizza. You have to eat the wheat pizza, okay, or the whole wheat. And I'm really excited about this because now I have something I can go to, and with AI, it'll tell me right off the bat this is good or not bad for me to consume. Like cottage cheese. Oh, you think cottage cheese is good for you? It is, but the dairy is not good for you. The pineapple is good for you. So, told all my friends about it. I want to tell you about it. Look up Blue Zone. It has charts. Show you the charts. Fish is good. Small portions of meat. You like steak. You can have steak. Small portions, not as much. More vegetables and those fish. Okay, so I'm not doing the best presentation on this because I'm new at it. People live stream this stuff a lot better than me. I'm sure you'll find live streams about it. And I just want to introduce my subscribers to Blue Zone. So check it out. Just Google it. Google Blue Zone. And you'll find the longevity for people that follow Blue Zone live a lot longer and healthier. That's the main part of what got me excited about it. So, and your doctor may not know about it. He may not know about it unless he's a super good doctor. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. And with that, make me very happy. Bye for now.